Ever wish you could zoom in on your Canon EOS R10 with just a tap of your finger, like you do on your smartphone? Well, you absolutely can. Today, we're going to dive into how to use the super convenient touchscreen zoom on your R10, making your live view and playback experience incredibly intuitive. First things first, make sure your R10 is powered on and you're either in live view mode, ready to compose a shot, or in playback mode, reviewing your captured images. When you're in live view, to zoom in and magnify your subject, just place the fingers on the LCD screen, like you're about to spread something open, and pinch outwards. You'll see the image instantly zoom in, allowing you to check focus with incredible precision. Conversely, to zoom back out and see your full frame again, simply reverse the gesture, pinch inwards on the screen with two fingers. It's as natural as using your phone. Now, this feature isn't just for live view. When you're in playback mode, reviewing your photos, you can use the exact same pinch zoom gestures. This is incredibly handy for checking fine details, ensuring sharpness, or even just admiring your work up close. No more fumbling with buttons or navigating menus just to zoom in. The touchscreen zoom on your Canon EOS R10 puts control right at your fingertips, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. This intuitive feature makes reviewing and composing a breeze. Give it a try on your R10 and experience a new level of convenience.